what's up?
Hey, what's up? So we are in Sanur today. As you see, we have our bags, backup, and then 1, 2, 3 bags. Well, now we will head to Nusa Lembongan.
Yeah, so basically we're going to Nusa Lembongan and obviously Nusa Ceningan for 2 nights, maybe even 3 nights. We will see. If it will be 3 nights, we will go maybe to Nusa Penida. However, we will see. We just got the tickets. How much you pay, Han?
For me, I paid around 130k because I paid a
Local
ticket.
price.
Local price. For you, the Kita's price 250k.
250. Normally it's around 300, 350, depends of what the carrier. We go by Glory, I don't know, never swim with them, however I think we'll be fine.
Not swimming, you are not swimming with them.
Go cruise with them. Cruise, swim. If they're broken, you will swim, you know what I mean?
No, don't say like that.
No, don't say like that, don't say like that, okay?
Remember, always positive thinking.
Always positive thinking.
Words when you are in
No
Bali.
more sarcasm in Bali. Anyway, let's have a coffee, the best coffee in Sanur, in Bali kiosk. At least they said like this. Well, yeah, we'll see.
This is what I love about Sanur 5. It is family friendly, and then you know, like the wave is not so high. It's just like very safe, you know. If you wanna swim, fishing, as you see behind me, lots of people enjoying the life. First of all, to start our day, coffee time. Cheers.
So coffee time before we go. Maybe I will editing video already. We'll see. Honey, you stressed?
I'm fine.
Tell me honestly, little bit stressed, yeah?
No, I'm fine.
When he's stressed, she always stressed when she have to swim, cruise by the boat. Everything will be fine. Just waiting for boarding, and just one thing what I wanna say is, yeah, some people are here waiting for boarding as well, over here and on the other side. However, I'm standing here for 1 hour and I'm just only one white person going to Nusa Lembongan so far, or at least I doesn't saw anyone else, which is quite strange feeling. But cool vibe, like always, like always. Yo, what's up? So, yeah, we'll see, we'll see.
I am super excited to go to Lembongan. Speedboat actually going to Nusa Lembongan, and it's quite wavy. It's a little bit high tide today, and as you see that not many people on the boat, and it takes around half hour to go to Nusa Lembongan. This is how the adventure starts. Well, Oops! As you see, the camera is going up and down because of high tide today. And yeah, how do you feel? Do you feel seasick?
No, I'm good. I'm just kidding.
I'll show you how is the view from the boat, and as you can see, you will see that beautiful Mount Agung by here. It's very cool. I'll show you. We landed with docking or something like that.
Jesus. Alright.
This is my old best friend, and I'm super happy that finally I arrived in Lembongan. So what's your name?
Komang.
Komang is my best friend. I just want you to know that he introduced himself on the camera. Well, now we will stay in his place. Let's see how beautiful it is.
Let's go.
Ayo, Pak.
Nusa Lembongan dogs. Yeah, good vibe, good vibe. We're gonna go now to Winnie's friend place and we'll see how's the crack and this lovely island. Alright, so we are in the Nusa Lembongan car taxi style. Winnie's friend picked up us, and yeah, that's I don't know why you're laughing actually.
I feel like finally I'm in Nusa Lembongan. So ages that we.
Sorry for
get over here.
shakiness, because the roads here are a little bit different.
Well, actually, that if you travel to Nusa Lembongan, yeah, Nusa Lembongan, Nusa Penida, Nusa Ceningan, you don't need to have a rapid test. But if you go to Gilis, you have to.
Yes,
So-
actually the only island from Bali what you don't need to any test is Nusa Lembongan and Nusa Penida.
Yeah.
After that, even if you wanna go to Jakarta or any other city or island, you have to get a test.
Yeah.
And yeah, that's how it is. I will see you in the hotel, yeah?
Yeah.
I'll show you a little bit of the road.
Oh, if you wanna know that what's my favorite island, this one, Nusa Lembongan is my favorite island.
Yeah.
So whenever I wanna have a sweet escape getaway, I always choose Nusa Lembongan. Alright, I feel so happy that I feel like I'm back home. You see, many changes here actually. I think that the last time we were here around last year, but we always planned to come back here. But yeah, I didn't have time. But now, oh my God, I'm so happy to be back. See, I feel like home. Stay welcoming now.
We just arrived. As you can see, Winnie is so excited about that because it's actually Winnie's best friend on this place, and they actually open but empty. So basically, we are only guests here, and Winnie knows everyone here like her own family. So yeah, beautiful place. Later we'll show you guys a little bit around. Nice flower. Yeah.
So now it's time to check in. Let's see the room. So actually, basically, the room is made of wood.
This is like a bungalow.
Oh, this is bungalow. Oh wow! Follow me. Ooh la la! Look at this! Oh my gosh! Wow! And comfy, and look at this one. So cute, right?
Oh, so cute.
And let's see how's the facilities here. Have a fridge. Yeah. And then have a water dispenser and safety box. Hair dryers. Okay, and then
big mirror.
And let's see. Oopsie. Oops. Oops. I always have a problem of opening the key.
You have always problems with the keys.
Wherever I go. Oh, see? And look at the bathroom. Wow! You see? Amenities and everything. So, if you want to know what's the name of the hotel, here it is. The Akah cottage.
In Nusa Lembongan, obviously.
Nusa Lembongan.
And yeah, that's how this. The house is made from wood.
This is real wood. Knock knock knock, hello. Yes. Knock 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 knock, hello.
Alright, we will chill out a little bit. Actually, we will not really chill out because Winnie have to do some meeting and I have to edit video for today actually and upload this. Oh, that's the big banana leaf. This place looks like this is very nice. Winnie is a little bit more excited as usual because this place belongs to her best friend. Obviously Balinese people. We will make a vlog with them more later. However, I will show you the place. They have, I think, 5 bungalows on this side and another 5 on the other side. Big pool, very nice place. This is our not the first time, that's why we know everything over here. It's actually 3rd time or maybe even 4th time. I think 3rd time here in the past 2 years or 3 years, and I got already sunburned as usual, normal thing. And for sure, are you curious how much is this place? Currently, during the current situation, the promo price is just 200k per night, which is like less than $15. Yeah, $17 per night, including breakfast, and usual price before everything starts and probably after is between 700 and 900, depends of the year. Which month is it and season, right? So right now, if you are in Bali and you are interested about this place, only 200k. Could you imagine that? Very good price.
Like I told you, feels like home. And then I'm super hungry actually. When I arrived here, I didn't have a breakfast, just had a coffee. Now this is our breakfast and lunch at the same time. So what I order? Mee goreng.
So this is the Indonesian food and this is more Western food. I think I don't need to say as it's hot in Nusa Lembongan, same as in Bali, and we are heading now to the cliff.
So this is the Cliff Beach Club in the Nusa Ceningan. So this is new beach club.
Basically brand new place next to the Blue Lagoon. If you're familiar with Nusa Ceningan, you know the Blue Lagoon. Now is the hotel, resort and beach club, cliff bar over there. Well, when we was last time, that wasn't exist yet, so we are very excited to see what's going on, right?
Yeah, so
Seems like you feel hot.
No. I just show you this is the style of how traveling in 2020.
2020 style.
Yeah, 2020 style.
Even the camera cannot autofocus your face now. So yeah, that's how it is. Yeah, we will show you around. Oh, already it's beautiful. I will show you now.
So here is the place, and then down there is the restaurant and beach club and swimming pool. Let's see.
Alright, so basically that's how it looks. This is the Blue Lagoon, beautiful place. Swimming pool, my sayang already chilling. Downstairs is the restaurant, very nice, very empty obviously, but very nice. The view is amazing. They always hear the view is amazing, breathtaking. Will be even better now as we can have a chill in the pool. We'll make a few snaps, and obviously we want to show you one more place in Nusa Ceningan which is very worth to see. Yeah. This monkey. How are you, honey?
I'm enjoying the cool vibe here in Clive.
You chilling?
I'm so chilling. So cool place. So whenever you are in Nusa Lembongan or Nusa Ceningan, just come here. Beautiful.
So we are just arrived to the sea breeze Ceningan. This place is very colorful, as you can see, with beautiful view.
Yeah, so right in front of us there are seaweed farmers. Actually, that long time ago, you know, when the tourism is still like so many people coming here, there are just less seaweed farmers. But nowadays, most of them, they're coming back to be a seaweed farmer.
Yes, but that we will make a vlog tomorrow about
about it.
Lembongan Island and seaweed, as the Lembongan people back to the farming and seaweed, obviously. But today let's focus about Ceningan only.
Yeah,
So this is the second place with beautiful view over there. Where is
the
Winnie?
yellow bridge
Is
over
the
there
yellow bridge.
to connect the Nusa Lembongan and Nusa Ceningan, and we will watch sunset here. Damian is sharing his pizza with this young fella. Hello!
Do you think you like pizza?
Let's see. Oh! All right. So this is our first day in Nusa Lembongan and Nusa Ceningan. As you see, our first day is already amazing.
And quite long. Beautiful sunset over here behind us. And yeah, so that was the first day. Very busy. Tomorrow will be day 2. We'll show you guys more about Nusa Lembongan tomorrow and seaweed farming and more.
Stay tuned on our videos actually because every day is always new days about Bali life and
every single day at 7 p.m. Bali time.
Yeah, so thank you guys for watching today. I feel like my body is already salty and
my face is already red, so will be good fun tomorrow. If you wanna see me tomorrow red as crab, don't forget to watch tomorrow's vlog as well. Subscribe our channel, like, share, comment, and see you tomorrow.
Thank you for watching. See you tomorrow and enjoy this beautiful sunset. Mwah.
See ya. Take care.
Bye.